are dancing on the edge of all our miracles.
Welcome to my channel. So today I made a makeup video. I know I haven't done a makeup video in like forever, and today I just felt like I should make one because first of all the weather is amazing. The sun is shining, you can see. Yeah, the sun is shining. It's so beautiful out here in spring, and so well, I decided to make a video about makeup and spring outlook. I tried some new makeup products that I hadn't used before, so I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. I like to prime my face. I use the MAC primer, Natural Radiance primer. So I get a small amount and just apply. Foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty.
Feels like I'm closer than I ever been. I'm closer than I ever.
After applying foundation, I will go straight and start with my eyebrows. So guys, I have failed to use all these eyebrows filters. I am traditional when it comes to my eyebrows. I use the eyebrow pencil.
I'm done. Y'all never pay me what I'm worth, and even worse, this ain't fun. You slowly suck my soul away in 80 hours a check. The disrespect and disconnect, and so I'm here to collect. That's 10 years out and gay yo, and you ain't acting grateful. You cheat on me repeatedly, now you ain't acting faithful. Hateful, I wake up in the morning from the scorn I hold of how you tore me from them kids and put me in this hole. No longer whole, a kind of soul can watch all of their brothers shackled and handcuffed to each other, then stacked on another cell block. They sell stock over private prisons.
I'm going to use this Pro Conceal Color Correct palette. I will use the lighter shade, this shade here, for my lower eyebrows, and for the top eyebrows I will use the darker shade. So here we go. I hope you can see. The sun is coming up. It's so difficult now to record, but I really love this natural lighting from the sun.
Amazing grace.
Applying a concealer on your eyelid before you apply eyeshadow. It's very important. It makes the eyeshadow sit in one place. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette.
He will enable you to step into the water, step out in the faith and never look back until tomorrow. No worries, even though you may fear. When you don't know where to go, you lose your way. Just know that He is near. You're never too far away from grace. The run from the past and getting the shame, all of it He will erase. So we'll be gone and never again when you have to worry about being loved. How sweet the sound, He calls you His beloved.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn as my concealer. I've been using this concealer for like forever. I really love it.
Are you smart? None of it matters, just come as you are. You good as you is, no other with dark. I've been judged, I've been hated. I'm tatted up, my salvation been debated. They look at the way that I dress, they look at my outer appearance. Oh my God, He sees my heart and He don't really care if you wearing a clearance. No, breaking it down, but building the walls. Grace is taking control. Religion is killing the people, but love is making them whole. He took the dirty, made them clean.
Guys, I just noticed that the part where how I applied the setting powder on my face didn't record, unfortunately. Anyways, this is the powder I used, the Sasha butter setting powder. It's what I used for setting my face. Next to the finishing, I used the dark MAC Dark Mineralized Skin Finish in the color of dark black.
Inhaling to the wounded and broken, a father to the orphan, hear the voice of the spoken. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
Highlighter I use from Huda Beauty. These highlighters really amazing. They have all of these amazing colors. I usually use this tone, but I want to try something different today. What do you think? Okay. Shall we try this? Highlighter. It is really highlighting. Oh my god. This is really popping, highlighter popping. Lips, to line my lips I'm using the MAC lipstick pencil in Plum.
Amazing grace, how sweet.
The lipstick that I'm going to use is the NYX Soft Lip Cream. It smells really good. Oh, you guys can see my beauty spot here. It's covered by foundation, but I will not allow that. I'm going to put it back.
Too far away from grace, the rough of the past, I get in the shame, all of it will erase. It will be gone and never again when you have to worry about being loved. How sweet the sound, he calls you his beloved.
So that was it, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. And I really want to know what makeup products you guys use, like, because I really want to try many more new products before I settle for a particular product. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed it and I wish you a lovely week.
Right now, take a ride on the wave of the flood. The skin tone, the body art, the way you dress. Are you smart? None of it matters, just come as you are. You good as you is, know what the dark. I've been judged, I've been hated. I'm tatted up, my salvation been debated. They look at the way that I dress, they look at my outer appearance. Oh my God, he sees my heart and he don't really care if you wearing a clearance. No, I'm breaking it down, I'm building the walls. Grace is taking control. Religion is killing the people, but love is making them whole. He took the dirty, made them clean. Took the blind, made them see. He took the dead and made them rise. And guess what? He done it for me.